Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Beacons Associate, and they're looking for a customer support and help desk person. It pays up to $70 an hour. Don't forget, before we start describing this job, to hit the like button because it helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Alrighty, so what does it entail? To be as successful as a customer service support representative, you should stay informed about product and service specifications and maintain good relations with customers. Ultimately, a successful customer support representative should be able to achieve outstanding customer service and communicate effectively with customers. So some of your responsibilities will be generating sales leads, managing incoming calls, building good relationship with customers, resolving complaints and following up on resolutions, identifying customer needs, meeting sales objectives, and following procedures and policies. Some of the requirements for this particular job will be a high school diploma or equivalent, experience in customer service, strong telephone etiquette, familiarity with CRM tools, excellent communication skills, ability to manage multiple tasks at once, and ability to adapt to different personalities. This job is full-time, pays up to $70 an hour. It is 8-hour shifts from Monday to Friday. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. Subscribe to this channel because we're going to have multiple job leads every single day on this channel. And all you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.